Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today I'm gonna teach you how to cook Halv Havij. That is a specialty for the month of Ramadan. But before we start, subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos as soon as they are uploaded. The ingredients: carrots 300 grams, wheat flour a cup, sugar 2/3 a cup, butter 60 grams, liquid oil 1/3 a cup, water as you need, rose water as you need, saffron as you need, pistachio and almond slices to garnish. First, put a pot of water on the stove till it boils. Then, peel the carrots, cut them into pieces evenly, and cook them in boiling water. The carrots must cook well so that when we puree them, there are no uncooked pieces. Meanwhile, let's make the syrup. Pour a glass of water in another pot. Add sugar to it and wait till boils. Stir to dissolve sugar in water. When it boils, add ground saffron, mix, and then put it aside. Now put a large pan on the stove. Add flour to it and sauté slowly. Pay attention that the color of the flour should not change. Now, add the oil and butter and mix them well till you have a homogeneous mixture. Stir continuously till you have an oily homogeneous mixture. Do this on low heat. When the carrots are cooked well, you need to puree them. You can puree them in a mixer or a food processor till the puree is soft and even. It's time to add the puree to the mixture of flour and butter and stir till they mix completely. Add rose water to the syrup that we prepared beforehand, and then add the syrup gradually to the mixture of carrots and flour. You should do this patiently on low heat. Continue adding the syrup till the end and stir so that the mixture is completely even. Our dessert is almost ready. It's completely soft and even and it doesn't stick to the pan. Bon appetit! Dear friends, this was our tasty carrot dessert. I hope you cook it and enjoy it. Don't forget to follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. Till another recipe, goodbye.